Well, here we go again. This is a 1946 Spartan Manor that I just towed to my house today. And this is the fourth Spartan that I've had since '93. The first Spartan I bought was like 5 miles from my house. The second one was maybe 10 miles from my house here in Colorado. The other two were within 65 miles. So Colorado's been pretty good to me in the way of Spartans. This particular one has those funky propane tanks. I never saw them before I bought the last trailer that I had. And then here the very next one I get has another set of them on. Plus it has one of those old slimp dollies. It's all there except for the hubs and the tires. But I towed it, 50 miles or whatever it was. With that on there, it towed very well. Obviously the wheels were off the ground and whatnot, but the way the jack's set up, it holds the trailer right up on the hitch, no problem. This trailer is by far the toughest one that I've had. I needed quite a few parts for the other 46 Manor that I'm doing, and this one has quite a few of those parts. Like for instance the hard to get little porcelain lights. This one has 6 of them. It's got 2 kerosene lamps in there. Pretty cool old trailer. Needs a lot of loving, but it's all there. Has the cool vent cover up there. Has both steps. They're in great shape. I'm missing one skirt on the other side. But this one has a lot more dents and dings than the other trailers that I've had, although 90% of them can be straightened out from the inside after the interior is taken out. The back panels on both sides they put on, I don't know why they do this, but you see it every now and then, putting on these ugly aftermarket lights and just destroying whatever panel they put them in. This one, both the corner panels are going to have to be replaced, but the back panel is fine. It has that light on there. It's not the original tail light, but those are easily replaced. They have reproductions for those. A little bit of hail, but they're the big ones that are actually easy to take out because there's not so many. Instead of the little pea-size hail where there's 300 or 400 a panel. But I'm restoring the other one. I don't know if I'll restore this one or sell it when the time comes. But as you can see, it has nice tail lights. The one I have now has pretty nice tail lights, but you can pick and choose the chrome rings and whatnot. It's only missing one of these lights. We'll go inside here. They tore out the sink and put in this toilet. This is an old toilet that was done many years ago. I have no idea what this trailer was used for, although I speculate as a harvest trailer. This came from Nebraska. But as you can see, it has these real nice original porcelain lights. There's 6 of them in this trailer, and they're all 6 of them are, all the parts are there. These lampshades surely aren't original. I don't know where I'm going to find those, but at any rate, I'm sure I'll be able to find something. But as you can see, it's missing that cool sink that was there. It's also missing the door on the little vanity that's there. Still has the original stove. although there's something going on the floor below the stove. All the rest of the floor seems real solid, but as you can see, that's tilted there for some reason. I suspect it needs a little floor repair. It still has the original sink and that fluorescent light, which I don't have in my other trailer, although the lens is not the original lens. Same on the other side. Lights there, but not the original lens. And then it has the stainless steel countertop. And refrigerator looks to be pretty good, although it's missing a door for the freezer, which is exactly what I need on my other, naturally. But it still has all the drawers and everything. I mean, it's here. It's repairable. The front panel up there is pretty rough, in pretty rough shape. And one of the glass, I don't know what they did here, but they replaced it with they just stuck something in there, just to stop the rain from coming in. But the center window looks pretty good, and the street side window looks pretty good. Real nice lampshade on here. Obviously, this doesn't look like it's been lived in for quite a while. Even the ceiling's not in that bad a shape. The panel is there and definitely reusable. Most of the panels, the one over the furnace, that's obviously shot and will have to be replaced. No furnace, didn't get a furnace with it. Has two of these little gas lamps. I don't have the bowl for the other one, but I've been told the bowls are easy to get. It's the other parts that are tough to find. But the front screen door is there, but it's in pretty rough shape, although maybe repairable. Both door handles have been replaced. They're not original. Naturally, I'm looking for the original ones. They took these out of a later model, something. It still has two of the vents and covers it handles. This one center vent here, there's no cover. The lift mechanism is there, but that's it. But as you can see, it's a diamond in the very rough. These old Spartans are fun. I don't know if I'll ever get to this one, but I may. And while I'm repairing these Spartans, I have a little Airstream that we bought here a couple years ago and fixed up. It's a 79. It's a nice clean trailer, but it definitely doesn't have the charm that the Spartans do. They're very popular, but I sure like the Spartans a whole lot better.